Hello. So hopefully we're going to be going to Melksham today. So it's trip on the train. It is literally 2 stops, 15 minutes, and then going to go into Wetherspoons and have a look round. There is a station road in Melksham, so I will do that. In the meantime, we have to go and buy a ticket. Should be £2.90-ish return. So we will do that. It's a lovely sunny day. I'm hoping that the mic thing won't fall off. Get equipment failure. Good morning. How are you? Yes, not too bad. A lovely sunny day.
Yeah.
I'm going to day return Melksham, please.
Melksham, thank you.
With rail car, if I can find it.
Lovely, thank you.
And is it £2.90 something?
£2.90, yes.
You guess? No, I didn't look it up.
And would you like your receipt?
Please. Is it platform 3? Platform 3?
Have a look. £9.46.
9.46, yeah.
Yeah, number 3.
Yep.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Platform 3. So, the subway.
Doors opening.
Very good.
Doors closing.
Is that camera level? It doesn't look very level. Platform.
Flat.
Or plat, as they say. Plat.
Doors opening. Doors closing.
So basically the train that comes in from that way comes in and then goes back out. It's the same train because it does it all day. I wonder if it's the same train we had before. God, I nearly went on a track then. No, I'm having trouble with the equipment at the end. It's like a never-ending battle with the bloody equipment. I've got the Rode mic receiver. I think there's something wrong with it. I think the button is not working properly because every time you turn it on, it takes ages to start up. When it finally does start up, it doesn't connect. Oh, where's the mic? There's the mic. It doesn't connect to the mic. I've also, this time, I put the gain, I put that down by -3, see if it makes any difference on the audio. I did notice that the audio was clipping slightly, more so when it's loud, if I talk a bit loud. When you're talking normally like this, then it would be no issue. What was I going to do? We've got about 15 minutes, I think. I was going to have a look, see if I could find the disabled toilet. I'm not sure where it is. Oh, there it is. There. Of course it is. I think I need a key. I need a key. It's locked by the look of it. It's got a red thing. Ooh. This is probably our train, because this is coming in here. What number is it? It is 158766. 158766. Disabled thingy down there. So 926 is the second. Yeah. This one's going to Swindon.
It will be, yes.
Yeah. I'm going to Melksham.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, platform 2.
We got 15 minutes. Yeah, I've got 15 minutes.
I'll whip round and we'll get you
Yeah.
on.
This will be the driver's end, this will be. Old style cab. We've got a train coming in, I think, somewhere on the other platform. So we're going to Melksham. Please hold the handrail. Please hold the handrail. The major junction, this one. $9.29. I mean, I have got a key, but I don't know if, I'm not sure if that, oh, it's unlocked now. Okay. Oh, wait. I'll wait for the toilet.
I'm assisting on it, so
Whoa! Ah, there we go. That was easy. That's not too bad. Got on there really well. There's another train coming. Can I go in the toilet? I wonder. bit of a mess. Oh. Can't go now. That's annoying.
Excuse me.
So the toilet's a bit messy. Beep, beep. There we go. Good now.
The next station is Trowbridge. This is a Great Western Railway service to Swindon.
Thanks very much.
So getting up at Melksham,
Yeah, I'll give you help off
yeah,
that.
lovely. Thank you very much. Make sure there is a ramp.
Yeah, just checking it was
Shut
there.
yeah. Nearly there. Strange. Strange.
We are now approaching Melksham.
Now approaching Melksham. Here we are.
This is Melksham. Do not try to board or leave the train when the doors are closing. This is a Great Western Railway.
Right.
There we go.
Thank you very much. Might see you later.
Yeah.
Mr. Don.
Have a good day.
Cheers. All right.
All right, boss.
Yeah.
Take care.
See you later.
See you later.
Ah. So a very small station, you can see. That's it. Basically, there's nothing here. It is literally a small platform, one platform. There's no other platform on the other side, so there's no problem with worrying about getting across. There's only one platform, so, and we'll just see it go out. And there it goes. 158766. I don't know what's going on with this gimbal. It quite literally is running out of battery already. So this is Melksham. We are in allegedly either Station Road or Station Approach. There is a cafe and toilet. Cafe and toilet. Not sure if that's open, but this is basically station approach. So we've got Melksham tyres. Oh, there is a cafe there. It's there, just down. Look. It's quite nice. Nice little outside area. Table. Pub cafe. Yeah, might come back for a cup of tea. So this is very short. There's a very short road. Station approach or station road. Hopefully there's a sign up ahead. We head into town if the gimbal battery lasts. Bloody pain in the ass. I don't know what's going on with that. Railway station and cafe. Well, there's no signs anywhere saying that this is Station Road. It obviously does say over there, Melksham Station. And there is a subway that you have to go down because the main road is going across. So we've got until we've got about 2 or 3 hours. Going down the old subway. Bit of an old dump, this, isn't it?